Hey everyone! Welcome back to Pro Product Comparison. Choosing the right graphics card is absolutely critical for your PC's performance, especially if you're a gamer. Today, we're comparing two vastly different GPUs, the ultra-efficient MSI Gaming GeForce GT 1030 and the powerful ASRock AMD Radeon RX 6600 Challenger White. Which graphics card is the right choice for your PC build and specific needs? This video provides a clear, concise, and fact-based comparison, helping you understand their core differences and decide. Let's immediately dive into gaming performance, which is where these two cards differ most dramatically. The MSI Gaming GeForce GT 1030 is an entry-level graphics card from NVIDIA's Pascal generation. It comes with 2 GB of GDDR5 VRAM and features 384 CUDA cores. This GPU is primarily designed for very basic desktop use, media playback, or extremely light gaming, such as older esports titles at low settings and resolutions. It will struggle significantly with any modern AAA game, often rendering them unplayable. In stark contrast, the ASRock AMD Radeon RX 6600 Challenger White is a dedicated 1080p gaming powerhouse from AMD's modern RDNA 2 architecture. It boasts 8 GB of faster GDDR6 VRAM and features 1792 stream processors. This makes the RX 6600 exceptionally capable for smooth 1080p gaming in virtually all modern titles, even at high settings, and can handle high refresh rate gaming in esports. The 8 GB GDDR6 VRAM is a massive pro, ensuring it can handle demanding textures in contemporary games without issue. If you're finding this helpful, remember to check the link for the MSI Gaming GeForce GT 1030 in the description. Moving on to power consumption and system requirements, a crucial consideration for any PC build. The MSI Gaming GeForce GT 1030 is incredibly power efficient, with a thermal design power, or TDP, of only about 30 watts. This is a huge pro, as it means the GT 1030 does not require any external PCIe power connectors. It draws all its power directly from the motherboard's PCIe slot, making it ideal for upgrading older office PCs or building very compact, low-power systems. It's often available in a compact, low-profile form factor. The ASRock AMD Radeon RX 6600 Challenger White, on the other hand, has a higher TDP of approximately 132 watts. This means it requires one 8-pin PCIe power connector from your power supply. You'll need a power supply unit of at least 450 to 500 watts for stable operation, which is a key consideration for your PC build. See how the ASRock AMD Radeon RX 6600 Challenger White performs for yourself via our link below. For display outputs and cooling, the MSI Gaming GeForce GT 1030 typically features standard outputs like HDMI and DVI-D. Its ultra-low power consumption means it can often be cooled effectively by a very small fan or even passively, resulting in near-silent operation, which is a pro for quiet builds. The ASRock AMD Radeon RX 6600 Challenger White comes with modern display outputs, usually multiple DisplayPort and at least one HDMI. Its higher performance and power draw necessitate a more robust cooling solution, typically featuring dual fans, like the Challenger White's design. While these fans keep temperatures in check, they will produce more noise under heavy gaming loads compared to the GT 1030. The RX 6600 also supports modern gaming technologies like AMD Fidelity FX Super Resolution, or FSR, to boost frame rates further. So, which graphics card is the ultimate winner? For any user aiming to play modern PC games at 1080p resolution with good settings and performance, the ASRock AMD Radeon RX 6600 Challenger White is the overwhelming and undeniable winner. Its superior VRAM, modern architecture, and significantly higher processing power make it the clear choice for a dedicated gaming experience. However, if your needs are strictly limited to basic desktop tasks, building a silent media center, or simply getting a display output on an older PC, and gaming is not a factor, then the MSI Gaming GeForce GT 1030 is the winner due to its extreme power efficiency and affordability. The performance gap between these two cards is massive. They serve fundamentally different purposes. Whichever product sparks your interest, you can find both MSI Gaming GeForce GT 1030 and ASRock AMD Radeon RX 6600 Challenger White conveniently linked in the description below for the latest prices and details. If this comparison helped you out, hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.